park comes in that particular zone, comes under that horticultural superintendent. And as you all know, BBMP is not recruiting permanent staff for maintenance of the parks. Each park is outsourced to some contractor. Say in your area, there are about 4 parks. You can always find out that it is not maintained by BBMP. BBMP annually pays some money to them, where it is outsourced. Your first job is, from the horticulture superintendent, you must find out who is the outsourced contractor. As you have all observed, in the east zone only there are more than 120 parks. Horticulture superintendent many times will not visit even for years together in that particular park. So get the man who is outsourced and get the what he has to do. That details will be available in the horticulture superintendent. If he doesn't give you, you take the pain of going there and getting the details. For example, he has to put some 3-4 laborers for cleaning, and then he has to use some compost or manure for some lot of things he has to do. If he is not doing, you will be able to find out. And that you will act as an eye opener for the horticulture superintendent or the zonal commission. This, anybody who lives in that area, your particular area, you be as an eye for that particular park. That can only be found out. You find out the outsourced contractor's number and find out what are, one day you even call him, he will definitely come. 2 times he may refuse, 3rd time he will find every day you are calling him and you are not going. He knows that you are somebody who is taking interest in it. Then parks can, your area parks can be easily maintained. And even now we have mooted the idea of making compost, leaf compost and all that in every park, which now 10% of the parks also doesn't have. That also you can always insist. And the outsourced contractor should be able to do it this thing. So in case you don't have the technical know-how, you can always get from somebody, because I also didn't know anything about leaf compost and cuttings and all that. You can always learn from somebody who they are able to know. This is about parks. About street lighting, many of you, I think many of you are not aware, the street lights are not maintained by BESCOM. BESCOM only gives you power. And all the street lights are maintained by BBMP, electrical department, and that electrical department is also not maintaining themselves. They outsourced everything. Each area is outsourced to some contractor. Get that phone number of that particular person. When I told you, you walk on the road, this is another advantage. Each pole is numbered. This number, the sodium vapor lamp, whatever lamps are there, numbered. And then you catch out of the outsourced contractor. Don't be calling executive engineer and all that, because such a big zone you will not be able to. Get that contractor, particular man, and see that he does the job within 24 hours. To see that street lights are maintained properly. First thing you should know, it is no job of the BESCOM. It is the job of BBMP to maintain all the street lights. So this, as I told you in the beginning only, you should go walking around your area, not go by vehicle. This is an advantage. One day, weekly once, you walk in the evening after light. So you will know which are the street lights not working. So that way you will be able to help the community by this. These all ways, it cannot be done in one day. You keep keeping the number. Yes, Pradeep.
Another question, something similar to street
Yeah.
lights. I see many times that water pipes they break in the middle of the road and it starts oozing over here. How do I comment?
This is the AE BWSSB. Nearest, you should have the AE number with you. That you have a division
There's a
there.
BWSSB emergency number
Emergency.
for every area.
Every
You
area.
call up that emergency number and they get used to your name. The moment they get used to your name, they will respond immediately. Or otherwise say, I'll call you back in half an hour and if you haven't checked it. So you can go back.
Also in every ward, at least one RWA has compiled all these things already.
Yeah, that's right.
You don't actually have to do it yourself. You just need to find which RWA is already active in your ward and has compiled this, and you can become the person who distributes that information more widely if you want.
No, if it is not there also, you go ahead and this is not a very big, it doesn't need high funda technical on that. You go ahead and do that.
No, actually, the reason I said that,
Yeah, that's correct.
you cannot also individually imagine all of the scenarios for which you need phone numbers.
That's what I'm
Somebody else has already conducted that exercise and refined it several times.
Exactly.
So I got a list on my refrigerator of some 60 people's phone numbers. That list is to be updated by the RWA every third month anyway. You just tap into that
Is there
file.
any way you could send it to us so that we know what the issues are?
I can send you that.
That would be very good. Because I mean, we got about 7 issues
You
now.
said about toilets, public toilets or community toilets. Any
Park.
park and toilets. And
Yeah, even Nirmala.
Correct.
No, but I think the main problem with these Nirmala toilets is that they are
Not maintained.
Maintained. Yes, exactly. And I mean, one side.
It depends on the area. There are ones that are reasonably maintained also. It depends on the area. In Road Jayanagar, Nirmala toilets are reasonably well maintained. See, it depends.
Who should we contact in order for us to build one in a couple of places?
That is your zonal commissioner has got.
I'll tell you how to get it built.
How to get it built?
Get BMTC to request it.
BMTC, is it?
Say for our drivers and conductors, we need one.
Bus stand, is it near the bus stand?
No. If there is a, it
Okay,
should
this
be.
is one. If it's near the bus stand, you go there.
Right.
If it's not near the bus stand, get the bus to come there first. There are two problems.
Okay, otherwise.
Otherwise, they has to be taken up by projects.
Ashwin, already I contacted BMTC and everyone to construct one restroom. Means it's like Nirmal in Jaydeva. There is no thing. Even I have Jaydeva circle.
Inside the hospital.
No, not inside. Jaydeva circle. Shopper stop, bus stop is